Guys, after years of running a successful program for LinkedIn, we decided to kill it. And in this video, I'm going over why we did that and what we're doing instead. So let's be honest, like the program we were running made a lot of money, like multiple six figures in profit per year, but we shut it down anyway. So on this date, like it's July 2026 right now, over 200 founders went through the door. But the reason we're shutting it down fits in one simple DM. And I will show this to you in a second. Like what we're selling, like on paper, it worked. Like we had the group calls, we had the modules, we had the community, everything a great program is supposed to have. $3.1 million in revenue tracked through the system. And every cohort, like I've seen the same movie every time. Like week one, everyone shows up, the interests are posted, notes are taken, calendars are blocked. Week three, half the people goes quiet. Like, and I get the messages like, crazy week, catching up this weekend. Week six, silence. Like only the people that needed us least are still active. The people that joined the program because they needed it so much, they're all silent. And we can literally see this in the engagement. Like we used school for this, and we can literally see it in like the engagement that week one, everyone has this momentum, this motivation, this, oh damn, I've done something to solve my problem. Week three goes by, week six goes by, and people are just silent. Identical curve every cohort, and that stops being a coincidence, guys. So the uncomfortable question we ask ourselves, like, was it them, the clients, or was it us? And the industry answer here is that, oh, people don't do the work. Like only 20% of people that buy a program completes it, which is true. But that's just very much putting the blame at the buyer side. You can keep the testimonials and run the next launch. And this is not something that we want to do. So like the ones who quit were not lazy. Like the people that in the program that quit the fastest or the most silence, they were busy. They run a real business. They had client delivery going on. They had sales calls to take, or even more important, they had a family to take care of. Right? Like business is not the only thing we do in life. And the worst results actually belong to the fullest calendars. And being busy, guys, this is after so many years of running a program like this, it killed more results than lazy ever did. And the DM that I promised you is this: looks great, but can't you just do it for me? This message, we got it so often, like running this program for years. And it's honestly one of the most honest feedback that we got. But for months, we read it as a lazy question, like, oh, we have these people in the program and they don't want to do the thing. But it wasn't. It was that the founder understand the problem better than we did. And that's why we're making this massive change. So we came to the realization that information was never the bottleneck, guys. Everything we taught is on YouTube for free. Like you can literally open LinkedIn, type in how to get clients on LinkedIn with inbound, and you get all the information. But the 200 hours that our clients spent, the successful clients, in order to build this system, that they don't come included. Like we sold the cheap thing and we left the expensive thing with the buyer. Because here's the takeaway, guys. Like a pipeline on LinkedIn, it has two jobs. Like the build, job number one, it's the positioning, the profile, the offer doc, the content system, the DM playbook, the sales assets. And you do this once, but it takes up to 200 hours. And it doesn't care who does it, right? So stick with me with this one. This is a massive point. But the run, job number two, it's the ongoing thing, the 4 to 5 hours per week, the conversations, the calls, the showing up. And this is the part that needs your face and your experience. So save this one, guys, because we're coming back to this in a second. But you have to build on one end. The one time, it's 200 hours or more. Anyone can do it. Listen. But the run, this is where your expertise come in. The 4 to 5 hours. Some clients do it even in less. 4 hours, 5 hours per week. And only you can do it, right? Because you have the expertise, you have the nuance, you have the specifics, you have the details. You've been running your business for 5, 10, 15, 20 plus years, right? But here's why smart founders fail all the time. It's a 50x gap. The build takes 200 hours per week, but you only have 4 hours, right? And no amount of motivation or calendar blocking or time scheduling or whatever can close that. Like, let's be honest, a week doesn't have even like that amount of time to put it in, right? Everything you bought added homework. And this not only relates to the program that we run until recently, It's for all the courses, all the coaching, all everything, right? It's just more work, more built work on your calendar and never less. What to do about it? There are three ways to close this gap. Option one, grind it. Put in the 200 hours yourself, roughly around 12 months at 4 hours per week. Option number two, this is what most people do, hire. Bring in the hours, pay monthly, manage your input, which is cool, but not the best. Option number three, buy it, build. You pay once, keep the assets, and you run it yourself. And all three work. Like, it just depends on how fast you want to go and how much money you want to spend. But buying another course and calling it progress does not. It just gives you this dopamine hit of, oh, damn, I did something to solve my problem. What we did, full transparency here, guys, like we became option three. 30 days of build, and then we hand over the keys. Same founders, same calendars. Julius, one of our guys, he installed the system, and within weeks of niching down, leads came in. Nicholas did a launch with a new program, almost $33,000 in cash in 8 weeks, and then he runs the system for 45 minutes a day. Or Atanas, in May, 19 calls booked, 3 clients later in 30 days. Their calendars didn't change, guys. What happened, what changed is that the build got done. Like, so if you remember one thing from this video, and I will start posting more about how this system actually works, you want to stop treating the build like a knowledge gap. You don't need more information in order to get more clients on LinkedIn. You want to decide who does the 200 hours, but you want to guard your 4 hours, because that's the part only you can do. You don't need to build more, you don't need to learn more, you need the thing built. And that's the install, guys. So that's what we do. So in the link in the description, I will show you a page how we install the Client Engine OS for our clients, fully done for you. You just give us some information. We go on every week, we ship a delivery end to end, and you just keep the system forever. So in the link below, you see exactly how this is done, and then we'll hear from you soon, guys. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then I will see you very, very soon.